Hi everyone! Welcome back to my beauty channel. How's it going, everyone? Are you guys happy you staying home every day, spend your quality time with your friends and family? Me, I am so happy. We've been working so hard for so long, and this year we have a long vacation. So what should you do if you're staying home besides spend your time with your family and friends, do the Zoom meeting or working at home? I know, buy something online. That's so excited, I know. And I just received the package from USPS. Ooh, I kind of like this shipping bag, like hologram, and it's just so cute. You see that? Let's open the baby. Ooh, can you guess what is this? Ta-da! It's a MULI 20-piece brush collection. All you need as a makeup artist in this bag. Let's check inside. Open the plastic. So this MULI brush collection retail for $78 before tax. Now we will see what brush that I will have in here. Oops. Bye. It's literally like a book. Look, or like a small bag. Dun, 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 dun. Oops. It just fell down. This is what is inside. This is the pocket for put all the brushes. This is a plastic, so if you put your brush and then the brush is still dirty, it doesn't dirty your bag. Does that make sense? Yeah. Oh, and also flexible. Here we go. They didn't even come in. Oh yeah, they have the names right here. Okay, so they have a number. No, they don't have a number, but it's fine. The first brush is round Deluxe blender brush. It's very soft. Aww. It feels so soft and big. This is what I need for a blending brush. You can also use this as a bronzer. I love like a big brush for my bronzer. So this is synthetic, not like real hair. And next will be wide angle foundation brush. Here we go. They have like an angle, and you can also use it as your nose. I hope it comes in the number though. They don't have a number. They have a name, but they don't have a number. Morphe, put a number in your brushes, please. Next, precision pointed powder. Look at this baby. It's so pointy. And I already see this is very good for your under eye. Oh. It's like fit for your under eye. Next will be angled contour brush. It's very pointy and the angle is very nice. If I put a contour, I like to start it from my ears, go to my mouth in here. Or if you hard to find the straight line, you can do like that. Next is under eye bullet brush kind of looks similar like the precision pointed powder, but this is the baby one. So this is the huge one and that's the baby, but they look exactly the same. Glow, get it, babe. This brush will keep your highlight exactly where it's supposed to be. Ooh, it's like perfect size for your highlight. And then next will be large round blender brush. Ooh, this is your blended brush. Rounder blender brush. This is how it looks like. Another highlights right here. Or maybe this is concealer. I'm confused now. Because they don't have a number, so I don't know which one I should be showing you guys. Probably I just want to like make it so quick, showing you in front of the camera, and everything I will list it down below. This reminds me of Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is how it looks like after I put, I don't know if this is by order though. They don't have the number, but and when you close it, it's not too bulky. Alright, this is it. It's the MUA Live 20 pieces brushes collection by Morphe. Go check on Morphe website. They still available and it's retail for $78. For you guys to start your career as a makeup artist, I suggest you try and buy this one. It's very affordable for the price. Thank you, beauty lovers, for watching my video. Don't forget to help me reach 4,000 hours to become a YouTuber professional by subscribe and give a thumbs up. See you on the next video. Bye bye. Stay home, stay healthy, and stay positive. Don't forget to wash your hands. Love you.